Welcome to Focus on Design, a monthly feature in Flowers and Magazine. I'm Rich Salvaggio, AIFD, and I'm very excited to share some great ideas with you. During this video, I'll share tips and tricks on how you can create this contemporary design that everyone will be talking about. This video is being sponsored by G3 Glass, represented by the Pete Garcia Company, available at Floramart and your local floral wholesaler. Before we begin designing, I want to show you some of the beautiful vases that are part of the line of recycled glass from G3. The first one I'd like to show you is the 9¼ inch Rio Cash optic vase. Fabulous circulation of lines around the outside. This is great for a big bouquet, and especially for a hand tie, the ends will all splay out because the vase is so wide. This one is the 11-inch garden bouquet urn. Great for just running out to the garden, picking up a bunch of things, and then just sitting them in a vase that's so beautiful it deserves beautiful flowers. The next one is our 7¼ spring garden vase. Smaller vase, great for a hospital, bedside, something on a smaller level. And then the new answer to the bud vase, the Rio Bunch optic vase. This is 9 inches tall, will fit about 5 or 6 stems of flowers in it, perfect just for a little pick-me-up bouquet. And then finally, the Gala vase. This is a new line, and this one comes in multiple different sizes, and this is what we'll be using to work in today. We're going to begin by taking the spine, taking the aspidistra leaf and cutting the spine just by taking our knife and sliding it down once or twice, and by the second time you should usually get through the spine and cut it off. And what we're doing is we're going to wrap the foam so you don't see it inside the vase. The easiest way to do it is to lay it down, and then we're going to take a greening pin and we're going to put it at the bottom to keep it still, and then we're going to put another one at the top, and we're going to turn the foam and we're going to put the next one. And we're going to keep doing that until we have the entire foam covered. I've completed covering the foam, and I've dropped it in this vase, and now I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to bring the water pretty high because I love the way you see the pattern of the leaves through the water. It actually just makes them even more important, and they're absolutely so beautiful. And then I did a second one, and the second one that I've now brought into the picture has a slightly different pattern. The leaves go up and down, and then the bottom leaves go around. So it gives you a slightly different texture between the two, and it's all with how you pin the leaves into the foam. I'm going to insert the flax leaf first, and by inserting the flax leaf, I'm going to determine two different heights to the designs. And it's basically, if you look at the leaves in the vase and then going up, that's the creative line. This is the tall arrangement. And then I'm going to take the second arrangement where I have the swirls, and I'm going to make this more horizontal. So I'm going to put the flax in, and it looks like it's going to be the same height, but then I'm going to bend it. And I'm going to keep that bent, and this arrangement is going to hang off to the side. To reinforce that, I'm going to put another flax leaf. I'm going to put it on the outside. I'm going to make a slit in the leaf. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to slide it through the leaf. I'm going to do that a second time because I think it's very important to reinforce the strength of a line. So I'm going to just go a little bit higher. I'm going to bend it a little bit higher. I'm going to cut a hole in the leaf, and I'm going to slide it through. Now a little trick, when you do something like this, you can put a little dot of U-glue on the leaf to keep it still. I'm going to start reinforcing this line with Bells of Ireland. And then I'm going to do it to both. And this time, instead of crossing the flax sleeve with another flax, I'm just going to cross it with the Bells of Ireland. And then I'm going to add some beautiful Gerbera daisies into the design. Now that I've filled in with a few more Gerberas to complete the shape, I just want to reinforce it and make it stronger. And I'm going to use this beautiful yellow stock. I'll do some over here. Notice on this side we're not going to go any taller. And then we're going to add some hydrangea to bulk up the body a little bit. This here. And then just this touch of pink is just going to just liven up the whole design. To complete the design and make it a true composite design, we're going to bring 2 candles. Also notice they're floating candles, but I put some foam underneath and did the leaves too. This composite design can be used on a buffet, on a fireplace. It can be upsized. You can use it on a long dining table. Whatever you want to do, it will be beautiful. The G3 vases are a perfect vessel to showcase your floral designs. Thanks for joining us. You can find more free step-by-step how-to videos on our website. Just go to flowersandmagazine.com and click on the digital library link at the top of the page. We look forward to having you visit.